Okay guys, here I'm finally showing the black bathroom. First we changed the doors because it was to not take a lot of space. We put this barn door that has glass, but as you can see, you're not able to see inside or from there to outside. And this is the our master bathroom in black. It's a 32 by 64 porcelain tile. We add this beautiful glass vanity. Also, this is so pretty mirrors with some flower details. Actually, the crystal faucets there too, really modern. And look how pretty we have this floor here. It's glossy, but believe it or not, it's not slippery. We put this sliding shower door, everything in chrome, so it can match with the glass and bring some, like, a lot of brightness. Even the tile, it's used black. We have the details around this the jacuzzi. They are also mirror tile. We did this niche that's also bring light because reflection, so really pretty. As you can see, the mirror, it's like kind of matching the veins of the floor. We have this smart toilet that opens itself when you get close and also flush itself and close itself. You can also use the control. You have a bidet and they have like a heated seat, heat the water, so you can see that it's flushed from here. But also, like, when you sit down there, when you get up, it flush itself. So it's really modern and really, like, a lot of people is loving this smart toilet. It has a light on the side. So again, it's really nice. We also have heated floor. So all this floor here, they're really warm and heated. It's a really nice size shower. So the door open both sides. As you can see, we have a long niche inside, also with the mirrored tile. So you can see how long that, I believe, is like 4 feet. And they had 2 shower heads, one on the side. And again, I'm showing here now the mirror niche. So the drain is really modern too, like the infinite drain. They're showing like the toilet closing it leads itself. And yeah, again, I turned the lights off so you can see that the niche has light inside. Look how nice is that. So at night they can leave it turned on and have like a cozy shower effect there. So now I'm turning on the rain shower head so you guys can see. Look how nice it is. So it's right in the middle, and when you check, it looks like it's coming from the ceiling. So right in the middle, so, and has a really good pressure. Again, it's really nice shower rain. The rain shower right there. And once again, the doors are in chrome. Everything is chrome. So that's the shower. Let's see here. Now I'm turning it off. And see, they have their different systems, so they can use a different time or they can use together. Inside also has a bench on the side, you can see over there. And again, this is really pretty. Look how beautiful and reflect it's the floor. So even the inside of the shower is the same. So this is now our master bathroom.